Welcome back to another episode of our podcast. Today, we're diving into the concept of inner support and how it plays a crucial role in our personal lives and relationships. It's something that not only impacts how we manage our family dynamics, but also how we progress in life.
Right, it's fascinating, really. Inner support, or naiju, is typically associated with a wife supporting her husband while he builds his career, but it goes way deeper than just that, doesn't it?
Exactly. It's about both partners in a relationship being aligned with each other's growth. The husband builds his career, but the wife builds herself in parallel, preparing for when they finally come together at the right time.
And what happens if that balance isn't there? If one partner, especially the wife, isn't developing themselves while the husband is out there growing?
That's when things can go sideways. If the wife doesn't put in the effort to grow or build herself, there comes a time when the husband's achievements just don't match with her. They might not be able to relate to each other, and this often leads to frustration or even worse, infidelity.
That's such a tough scenario. It's not always about betrayal, right? Sometimes it's just a matter of not being able to connect anymore. The wife and husband might not be on the same intellectual or emotional level.
Exactly. And it's not entirely the husband's fault. He might seek another woman to connect with because his wife hasn't put in the effort to grow and match him. This is where the concept of inner support becomes so important. Each partner needs to evolve together, not just one person.
I get that. It's about creating a balance. If one partner is too focused on external growth, like work or finances, the other must focus on internal growth, educating themselves, refining their character, and preparing for the moment they can truly be equals.
Absolutely. And this doesn't just apply to marriages, it's about all relationships, really. If you're not putting in the effort to develop yourself, it's hard for others to take you seriously or even connect with you. Just like when a person works hard to build their career but doesn't nurture their character, they might feel disconnected from the world around them.
Yeah, it's not just about external achievements. Inner growth allows you to connect on a deeper level, and that's what truly sustains a relationship. It's about being prepared to contribute to a partnership at a higher level.
And it's not just about the personal connection. There's also a spiritual aspect to this. Sometimes people go to temples or churches to pray, but the question is, what are you thinking about while you're there? Are you just going through the motions, or are you actually reflecting and growing spiritually?
That's a huge point. Going to a temple or a church isn't inherently wrong, but if all you're doing is praying without introspection, you're missing the point. It's about developing yourself, not just asking for blessings.
Exactly. Whether it's a temple, a church, or even a golf course, it's not about the physical act. It's about the intention and the thoughts you carry with you. Are you really learning and growing, or are you just distracting yourself?
Right. And all this growth isn't just for our own benefit either. When we fail to grow, we miss out on the chance to contribute positively to our relationships and society. It's about responsibility. Our mistakes, whether in marriage or in life, are often the result of not taking the time to grow properly.
That's a great point. And it's not just personal growth we're talking about. If we fail to grow ourselves, we're actually letting down the people around us, our families, and even society. It's like when we don't understand the bigger picture, we fail to meet our responsibilities.
Yes, and the beauty is, it's never too late to start. Even if we've made mistakes in the past, we can always choose to grow, evolve, and do things differently.
Exactly. No one is perfect, but the more we focus on bettering ourselves, the less likely we are to face hardships due to our own negligence or mistakes. It's a continuous journey, but it's worth it.
So, to wrap up, the key takeaway today is that inner support isn't just a passive thing, it's active personal growth. We should all aim to build ourselves while supporting the other person, and the more we do that, the stronger and healthier our relationships will be.
Well said. And if you're not sure where to start, just focus on developing yourself, whether it's through learning, self-reflection, or even spiritual growth. It'll pay off in all areas of life.
Couldn't agree more. Thanks for tuning in, everyone. Keep growing, and don't forget to stay balanced.
Until next time.